Okay, so to route the lines, we drilled 5 holes, as you can see right there. And we put the little grommets in there. What size is that?
1/2 inch.
1/2 inch grommet, so, and we used the 1/2 inch drill.
Yep,
So it's like a 1/2 inch hole, drill bit. And the 4 holes you see in the bottom, that's gonna be the 4 air lines, each one to each wheel, and then this one gonna be a release valve, and also the the water air bleeder, air separator line right there. We're gonna put a wide connection there, so you're gonna see the rest of it. So we're gonna send the first line. What we're gonna do is we're gonna try to keep the line as equal as possible in length. So we're gonna send one line to the bottom, reroute it, and then cut it, and then also we're gonna pull that one out and measure it to the length of for the second wire. So he's gonna go down, and there you go. That's where the line is. It's too long. You want to pull back? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go underneath the car, and I'm gonna show you guys how we installed all the lines. So right down here, we drilled a whole bunch of holes. Okay, there's 4 holes, like you saw in there, down there, inside the trunk. And each one has a grommet. There's a grommet here and inside, so the line doesn't get damaged. We got another hole over here with air line, the discharge line, and the water line that separates the water is gonna come through there. 4 lines are coming in. So all 4 lines are coming in, and one line comes through here, and it connects to the left side right there. It connects to the left rear here, and this is where it is. Also, we got the sensor line coming down right through this hole. We put a grommet here, and 2 lines are coming in. One goes all the way to the front, and the other one connects to this sensor right here. And there you can see the sensor right there, and we worked up a little magic to connect those sensors. And as you can see, the sensor line for the front comes down also here, and we zip tied it here, and over here sensor line is right there, and the air line is right there. Then they just keep going all the way to the front, and it connects to the front airbag here right there, and the sensor line comes over here, and we got the sensor connected right there, and that goes down right there. That's about it. And I'm gonna show you the other side now. The other side is not done yet, but we do have our sensor here. Sensor's done right there. And let's take a better look at this sensor. Okay, and it's connected, and again, same thing, both lines come out for the sensors right there. Air line connects over here, down back here. Right now it's not 100%, we're not done. We got these strap ties, but we're gonna put a better mechanism than that, and strap ties stay on the sensor lines, and right there it goes underneath here, both of the cables, the air line and that, and it runs cross right here. It runs cross, and it comes down over here, and then on this side it pops up. We still gotta put a sensor here. The line might we're gonna have to fish out some of this line, and we got our air line right there, and the sensor is gonna connect over here just like the other side we showed. So that's how it is, and once it's all ready to go, we're gonna fire up everything, and we'll show you that.